Evil and grant us peace in our day. In your mercy, keep us free from sin and protect us from all. Now, my dear sisters and brothers, lalo na sa mga nanonood sa kanilang televisions, I'll do a general healing prayer. Our good God is going to reach you in a very spiritual and powerful way. Hihipuin din po kayo at pagagalingin ng Diyos kung saan man kayo naroroon, because siya ay butihing Diyos. Mapagpalang Ama, touch and heal each and every one here right now. Yung mga nanonood ng television, touch their eyes, those who have glaucoma and cataract. Their ears, those who have tinnitus and vertigo, those who cannot hear well. Napakarami pong may mga cancer ngayon. Touch them from head to toe. May tumor sa ulo, may breast cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, rectal cancer, may lymphoma, myoma, leukemia. Lord, wala po kaming inaasahan kung hindi Ikaw. We know that You are such a good God, ready to heal us. Tanggalin mo pong lahat ang mga black arteries sa kanilang mga puso. Those who have heart ailments, those who have arthritis, lung cancer, those who have high blood pressure, gout, rheumatoid arthritis. Lord, right now, heal them. Yung mga bedridden, na stroke, na aksidente, those who cannot walk, those who cannot raise their arms, yung hindi makalakad, may problema sa kanilang spine, may skin disease, may asthma. Lord, right now, hipuin mo po sila. Basbasan at pagalingin sa kanilang kidney problems, sa kanilang diabetes, sa kanilang ulcers, sa kanilang depression, sa kanilang financial problems, sa kanilang emotional problems. Marami pong nag-aaway na mag-asawa, pamilyang hindi magkasundo, mga kabataang naliligaw ng landas. Lord, right now, heal them one by one.